There's more trouble at a Brighton school which attracted worldwide attention after the Egg Boy attack. 7 News has learnt the headmaster there is now under fire for using a racist slur at a school assembly.
Words are a matter of principle for this Brighton College educator.
We're looking for not just what has been communicated, but how it's been communicated.
But his words have landed him in hot water, using a racist slur not once, but 3 times at school assembly.
Mission brown paint was originally called brown paint. Oh yeah, it was.
Richard Minack used the N-word in the wake of the Christchurch terror attack to highlight insidious racism.
So mission brown paint is only a tiny step in language away from brown paint.
1,400 students were there, including the boy who egged Senator Fraser Anning. Many gasped in shock.
You can't say that in front of a school, especially a school as multicultural as ours.
Mr Minack later emailed students to apologise and explain. I hope you understand that I used it to call out and criticise racism and bigotry. Sometimes we have to use offensive words to explain why they are offensive. But now the slur is being used in the playground.
I think their theory behind it is if the principal can say it, why can't we?
Late today, the Education Department told 7 News Principal Minack should not have used what they called the offensive word. A spokesperson says he will now be reminded by the department to use appropriate language. Mike?